Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to celebrate an electric life. Under violet sky, I pray you hear our cry. Please help us protect what's right. Amen. There ain't nothing in this world that can take your place. There ain't nothing in this world that can take your place. There ain't nothing in this world that can take your place. There ain't nothing in this world that can take your place.
Yeah, gather your thoughts, gather around. Painted arrangements mixed from a palette of sound. A casket frozen indigo, rolling profound. Many stems like hymns once blossomed from ground. But while the reaper is king, we carry the crown. We weigh it out, dreaming, screaming, or close to even. In a sense, nobody's perfect, nobody is worthless. The system's imperfect, maybe we should measure in purpose. What is yours, what is mine? When do we serve it? Being hood ain't the absence of good. Being square don't make you equal or fair. It's not an equal affair. Weak voices can't speak for a share. Speak voices with no win or aware. Are you aware? I don't think so. Unless your cup runneth over and you still sip slow. A guzzle to nothing, complaining when you don't get mo. See another's glass empty and you don't think po.
Like a four-letter word, while fear shouted through the ghettos and burbs. Hear me, my Lord, come settle my nerves. I pray these words bring honor as the heavens observe into the sky, where the birds will testify. Freedom's a state of mind, be free any day or time. But reality will make you doubt your actuality. The truest fallacy is man can't change how he sees. So it's death to reason, it's left the legions, wondering where to pledge allegiance. This is my letter to Ephesians. The rest we need them through death, the best are leaving.
The upper room is calling. What are we supposed to do? The upper room is calling. It appears it's just for